Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Winget, Windows built-in package manager, to update most of your installed applications on your PC with just one command. No clicking through individual update screens, no hunting down new installers, just one line in the terminal and Windows handles the rest. Let's dive in. Step 1. Opening the terminal. To get started, press the Windows key and the letter X at the same time. A small menu will pop up on the bottom left of your screen. Look for Terminal or Windows PowerShell, and if you see the option to run it as administrator, choose that one. Some Winget commands work more reliably with administrator permissions. You now have a terminal window open, a dark window with a blinking cursor. This is where all our commands will go today. If you have never used the terminal before, do not worry. We are only typing a handful of simple lines, and I will show you exactly what to type each time. Step 2. Checking that Winget is installed. Let's start by confirming that Winget is available on your system. Type this command and press Enter. Winget --version. If Winget is installed, you will see a version number appear in the terminal, something like 1 point something. Winget is Windows' built-in package manager, a tool that connects to a Microsoft-maintained online catalog of thousands of software packages and lets you install, update, and remove applications directly from the command line. No web browser, no download pages, no installation wizards. It has been a standard feature on Linux systems for decades, and Windows now has its own version built right in. Step 3. Listing all installed programs. Now type this command and press Enter. Winget list. Give it a few seconds, and Winget will display a complete list of every application it can detect on your PC. You will probably notice this list is longer than what you see in the Windows Settings app under Installed Apps. That is because Winget can detect applications installed outside of the Microsoft Store, including older software and certain system components that the Settings app sometimes does not show. It is a useful way to get a full picture of everything actually sitting on your machine. Step 4. Updating every app with one command. This is the one you came for. Type this command and press Enter. Winget upgrade --all. Winget will first scan your installed applications and compare them against the latest versions in its repository. It will display a list of everything that has an available update. Now, keep an eye on the screen. Before it starts the magic, the terminal might show you the publisher's terms and ask if you agree. To move forward, just type the letter Y or Yes and hit the Enter key. After you confirm, Winget starts downloading and installing each one automatically. No clicking, no accepting a dozen different installation screens, just progress updates scrolling through the terminal while it works. Now, I want to set an honest expectation here. Winget does not update every single application on your PC. It can only update apps that exist in its repository. Niche software, older tools, or certain corporate applications may not be covered. But for the vast majority of popular programs, Zoom, VLC, Discord, OBS, game launchers, developer utilities, Winget handles them very well. For those apps, this one command genuinely replaces what used to be a tedious manual process of visiting each website one by one. Step 5. Searching for and installing a new app. Winget is not just for updates. Type this to search for any application. Winget search, app name. Replace app name with whatever you are looking for. For example, Winget search VLC. Winget will return a list of matching results showing the app name, its publisher, and its unique package ID. Once you spot the one you want, install it using its package ID like this. Winget, install, package ID. Now, in my case, because I already have VLC on this machine, the terminal gives me a helpful little message saying, "Found an existing package already installed." It is smart enough to know we are already good to go. But for a fresh setup, Winget downloads the installer directly from the official source and runs it silently in the background. No pop-up windows, no next, next, next wizard. It just installs. And that is it. Let's do a quick recap of what we covered. We opened the terminal and confirmed Winget was installed. Used Winget list to see every application on our PC. Ran Winget upgrade --all to update everything in one go. And even searched for a new app without touching a browser. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below. I genuinely love hearing from you tech lovers. Stay passionate about tech, and I will see you in the next one.